Hi, I'm gonna show you how to make a sweet, easy, tasty, decadent stuffed beignet. First, you're gonna gather all of your beautiful ingredients. First step is to melt your butter. Add in your brown sugar. Wait until it's boiling, just like so. Then you're gonna add your apples and you're gonna add your vanilla extract. Please wait until the mixture is nice and soft. So you want your apples to be nice and tender. And it looks boiling just like that. Then you're gonna roll out your dough, beautiful, and you're gonna add about, I would say, half a tablespoon or even just a tablespoon of your mixture in your dough. This is the most important part. Listen to me. Do not do what I just did here. You really want to make sure that your mixture is really tightly within your dough. So you see how I'm using my fingers to tightly seal the sides? Don't do that. Use a fork to really tightly seal those sides so your mixture does not open up when it starts frying in your oil. I had to redo this a couple times because mine kept opening. So you're gonna fry them, and you want to wait until they're nice and golden. Then you're gonna add your honey. Obviously, after the honey, you add some beautiful powdered sugar, just like so. Boom, 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 boom. Oh my God, it's beautiful. And then, oh, look at that. Oh, my mouth is watering just thinking about it. Please follow my Instagram and my TikTok. All of my recipes are showed there. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.